So this video is to do an ANOVA in Excel. So I have this homework assignment I wanted to work on greenhouse gases from 3 different vehicles and checking out their means, testing out their means. So here's the data I want to do. I want to copy this into Excel. Okay. So I'm running this. I want to find the F test statistics. So I'm going to go into Excel and copy and paste this data in there. So there's my data for my first vehicle, my second vehicle, my third vehicle. Types of vehicles, I should say. And these are different vehicles, measurements of their CO2 equivalents. So I want to run the ANOVA test on it. So if I go to data, and let me blow this up a bit. So if I go to data, over here, there might be a data analysis button over here. But if there's not, what we have to do is we have to go to File, the File tab on newer Excels. There's a File tab. Then you go to Options. If not, then you have to go to here and Excel Options. Okay, so once I get into Excel Options, then I wanted the tool pack, and I want an add-in. So I click on the add-in, and I want this analysis tool pack. It looks like you double click on it, but it's not a double click. You go to Go down here, and you click on this add-in analysis tool pack. Click OK, and then over here, data analysis should pop up. If it's not installed, you might have to do a quick install kind of thing, but it should be okay. So now I can do the ANOVA test with this data analysis thing. So I click on data analysis, and there's a bunch of things here that we could have been using this whole semester, but we did not. But the main one I want is the single factor ANOVA. When it comes in like this. You just need to scroll up to the top in order to get the single factor ANOVA. Click OK, and then this comes up to tell you what you're selecting. So I want to select the data, so I just come over and select the data, all of it. And you can include the labels, or you cannot include the labels. If you include the labels, you better check this box, labels in first row. If not, don't check it. Make sure that you have columns. I think it gives it doing columns, not rows. If you have rows, you can just select that. And we want the alpha. So what was the alpha? So let me go back to my homework assignment. My homework assignment said the alpha use a 0.5 significance level. So that's right. In case it wasn't, I'd have to change it. So the alpha is 0.05. So, and then output range. So I just like new worksheet, so it'll come up in a new worksheet. You can select the range if you want to, but it gets a little confusing sometimes. So I'm just going to do new worksheet, and that's it. Click OK, and then boom, there it is. It comes up with all the stuff we need in a split second. Everything. So everything's kind of listed here that we need. So, and there's my F test statistic. Now let me go back here, so I can enter my data just to prove to you I know what I'm talking about, because so many of you doubt me. Round to 2 decimal places. So there we go, right there. Check answer. Booyah! Got it. See, you kind of know what I'm talking about. What is the critical F value? The critical F value. There it is. It's given to us 2 in Excel, and if you're using a graphing calculator, it does not give it to you. So 3.40. I put 0. I don't think I need to put 0, but I did. And then the p-value. Oh, there's the p-value. The p-value is 0.02 to 2 decimal places. That's it. Check answer. See, I do know what I'm talking about. See, and then I'll just let you finish this up. So that's it. So yeah, good luck. Have fun, and have a good weekend.